Hello everyone. So welcome you all to our basic concept of chemistry class. So it is our lecture number 4. So we are discussing very basic things related to chemistry. So these basic things that will not come to your exam, but it is also very helpful to your exams like competitive exam and board exam, council exam, whatever you can take. These are very basic things. Okay, like ABCD. If we are interested to write some words, then we have to first of all know about the alphabets. Okay, after that we can write every word anything. Okay, so these are like these alphabets. Okay, so today in this lecture I will discuss unit conversion with you. So as you saw that in the third lecture we discussed about the unit system. Okay, unit system. Then we read something related to units like unit system. Like there are four types of unit systems like CGS, MKS, FPS, and standard international system. So today we we will discuss about these units. This uh, let's see here. Let's see. Let's see. Do you know whenever you study, then some words come to our book that is kilo. Something it may be only meter, then centimeter, decameter, milliliter. So we are going to discuss about these things only. How to convert kilo to centimeter, kilo to meter, meter to centimeter, and meter to decimeter, centimeter to decimeter. All things we are going to discuss. So let's see. Just two tables I will give you that you have to keep it in your mind. Okay. So first of all you have to remember that table. After that you can convert every kinds of units, every uh, kinds of units to any kinds of unit. Okay. So let me to write the two tables first. Okay. You can write here. It is large unit. You can write. You can take that is large unit. Large unit. Okay. Let's see. What is large unit? The units which are bigger than 10. Okay. Or bigger than or equal to 10. Okay. Let's see. Now we are dealing with only meter. Okay. As compared to meter, we can write here. After that you can relate all things like liter, gram, everything. Okay, we just have to study about the previous things which sits before meter, before liter, before gram, like kilogram, kilo, mega, like these things. Okay, so in large units first one thing will come, that is deca. Okay, deca. After that hector, hector. After that kilo, mega, giga, deca, hector, kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa. I want to erase this thing. Peta, exa, jetta, iota. Okay. Well, only after that it was our, yeah, you can tell the whatever you see, you keep before the meter, liter, grams, these are called as prefix. Okay. Okay, let me to discuss the prefix and this unit. Okay, so let's see. As you know, prefix and suffix. Okay, pre means before and suffix means after. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let it delete like a meter. Okay, the before meter. Okay, this part is present before the meter. So whatever we keep on this position, those things are called as what? Prefix. That is prefix. Prefix. You can easily write here large prefixes. We are going to deal with. Okay. Okay. Large prefixes. Okay. So for a deca, one symbol is used, that is capital D. For hecto, capital H is used. For kilo, capital K. For mega, capital M. Giga, tera, peta, exa, jetta, and iota. That is iota. And let's see here. For deca, we can write it. The value of deca is 10 to the power minus, sorry, 10 to the power 1. Okay, 10 to the power 1. The value of hecto is 10 to the power 2. Kilo is 10 to the power 3. After all these, after the kilo, you will add 3 more to this thing. Okay, let's see. There 3 is present. Okay, now you have to add 3 in each step. That is, here it is 3 is present. So it will be added to another 3. That is 3 plus 3 is 6. That is 10 to the power 6. Okay, after that you can add 3 to 6, that will be 10 to the power 9. Like this only. For tera, I can write 10 to the power 12. For peta, 10 to the power 15. For exa, 10 to the power 18. For zeta, 10 to the power 21. And for iota, I can write 10 to the power 24. Let's see. Here we have large prefixes which are greater than to 10 or equal to 10. Okay. This, it is the table for large prefixes. Okay. Then we will discuss the small prefixes. Okay. After that we will discuss, or we will study about the applications of prefixes. Okay. Control. Okay. Let's me to write here. As I discussed large, then we will discuss about small prefixes. Okay, small prefixes. Let's see here. Small prefixes which are less than to 10. These are called small prefixes. So let me to write the all small prefixes. So it will be start from deci. Okay, deci, deci, centi, milli, micro, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, etto, jetto, jetto not jepto. It is jepto, jepto, yakta. Okay, let's see here. For writing desi, we use small d. For centi, small c, milli, small m. For micro sign is used. Nano, capital small n. Pico, small p. Femto, small f. Etto, small a. For Japta, small z is used. For Yakta, small y is used also. So, like large prefixes, I can write all the values. Here it is same for all, but only one thing is that here in the case of large prefixes, before the numbers, here we are using plus sign, but after in the small prefixes, after in the power of 10, we use a minus sign. That is, let's see, for desi, I will write 10 to the power minus 1. For centi, 10 to the power minus 2. For milli, 10 to the power minus 3. Micro, 10 to the power minus 6. Because I have already told you that when you come from minus 3 to or 3 onward, then 3 will be added to the power. Okay, then it will come 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power minus 12, 10 to the power minus 15. Then here 10 to the power minus 18, 10 to the power minus 21, and 10 to the power minus 24. It is a large prefix table. Okay, then just to take some examples. If you tell 1 kilometer, km, k for kilo, meter for meter. Okay, let's see. We will discuss more about large prefixes, small prefixes, and its their application in the next class. Then till that class, just try to remember all these things. Okay, it will take some time, but it is not possible. You can keep it in your mind. Then you can easily deal with any kinds of questions. So don't worry about anything. So first of all, just remember it. Then we will discuss more about this unit conversion. Okay, so let's it's time to wind up. So today we have discussed already large prefixes, large prefixes, and small prefixes. Prefixes, in large prefixes we study deca, hecta, kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa, zeta, iota, and in small prefixes we studied decicenti, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, etto, jepto, yakto. Okay, just you have to remember all 12 things. After that we will discuss more. Okay, till then take care, bye bye, and see you on a next video. Okay, let's bye.